Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a video using director mode in Ekly. So the first step is we create a new director mode project. We can add our scene. So here you can see that we have an option to add references. Our references can be images, videos, or audio files. So I have a reference character sheet which I had created earlier. So you can see that there is a man and a cat. We have all the images of both the characters in different angles. So I'm going to save this asset. I'm going to add the asset in the reference section. So I have already used Claude to generate the scene prompts. So let me go ahead and copy the first scene prompt and paste it in the script placeholder. You can see that we have used Reading Duo. So we need to rename the image one as Reading Duo. So now when I just select this, you can see that the image has actually been used as a reference. So I want this prompt to be made into a video scene and I want it to be 5 seconds long. So I have adjusted the time and I am going to hit action. So we have a result here. Let's look at it. Nice. So let's say sometimes you do not get the perfect result. You have an option to get a new version of the same scene. So you can do that. So I am happy with the result, so we can move on to the next scene. So I have added a new scene. Let me go ahead and copy the prompt for the next scene. I will paste it here. And yeah, we have the image attached properly. And I want this to be, let's say, 7 seconds. Let me hit action again. We have a second scene video also ready. Let us look at it. So this is how you can repeat this process and make multiple scenes. So you can make any number of scenes and you can use any number of references. Let's go to the editor to get the final video. So here you can see that both the videos are in the timeline attached together. If you do not like any part of it, you can trim that part. I'm happy with the result, so I'll click on Export Video. You can choose the quality of the video that you want and hit Export. So we have got the message that the video is rendered. We can click on it to view our result in the Export section. You can download this video. So this is how you can make videos using director mode in Ekly. Thank you. Visit now.